Hi guys, I had told you in a previous video that I had bought several of these Delusions Creative Journals and that I wanted to use them, so I have come up with something for the Happy Paper People subscription boxes that I'm going to use in this journal. And I'm sure I'll have to use others as well, but for right now, I'm starting with them. A dear friend and a wonderful person told me about, she loved surreal collaging. And I said, what is that? So she sent me a link to a video, and I went and watched it, and I thought, oh, so that's what they're calling it now? I used to do that in my 8th grade art class, and we had a project that it brought back so much memories as soon as I saw what this lady was doing, that that's how I'm going to do this journal in particular. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. It's going to be a surprise. But I haven't done the cover. I haven't done these 2 pages yet. I have done a 2-page spread, but when I got here, I was a little disheartened because it was glued together, but I'll do collaging on this page as well to cover it up. I'm trying not to get my book and my candle. So this is the November subscription box from Happy Paper People. And I mean, it's just beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. And I did do a 2-page spread. That's the envelope. That's not the page. So I'll have to decoupage on that, so it doesn't mess up the look of the pages. But I just absolutely loved November's box, so I wanted to use it first. Now, I've done this 2-page spread, and I'll be completely honest with you, I probably still have enough to do these 2 pages. But 100% honesty here, I'm not back to 100% yet. This took me 6 hours to do these 2 pages, and it was way too much. So I'm going to do it slower, and then as I get more things in here, I'll do a walkthrough of it. I'm not going to push myself again to 6 hours to complete a 2-page spread. I'll just do what I can when I can. But I absolutely love their subscription boxes, and I'm trying to use up November so I can dig into December because it's stunning too. So I did videos on them. If you go back and look, you'll see the openings of them. But they make amazing collages. And even if you want to do like master boards using their subscription boxes, or whatever, I mean, it's cheap, it's mega stuff. I don't even have any of the ephemera out on here yet. I mean, the tags and so forth. For the project I have in mind, I want to turn this journal into, that subscription box is perfect. It gives me everything I need to do it, except the pictures I'm going to be collaging on it. So yeah, I'm going to stick with it and keep getting it, and hopefully I can do this whole journal just using their boxes, but time will tell. We'll see. If not, I can add like coffee dyed paper, tea dyed paper, something to fill in, or depending on what their theme is that month, something to match to go with it. But I love how this came out, and I'm really debating if I should copy this before I collage on it. Now, in 8th grade art class, what they're now calling surreal collaging, we called glue book, collage, mixed media, all 3 in one. And that's exactly what this is going to turn into be. We had to bring things from home to put in it. So that's going to be fun. When I start doing this, it's going to be awesome. It's going to give me happiness and inspire me, because there's a lot of strong women in my family, and by doing this, it's going to remind me who they are and the challenges they faced, and give me courage to keep going. So yeah, I'm real thrilled with it, and I'm so happy that theirs has this, the Happy Paper People has this look to it because it's perfect, absolutely perfect for the first page I want to make. So guys, if you're not subscribed to Happy Paper People subscription box, check them out. She does show them on her channel. She does show different current things you can make with it. I'm using it for a completely different purpose from what they mean it for. But, you know, isn't that what it's all about? You take something and you do what moves you. So, you may see it and say, you're going to do something totally different with it too. You're not going to make regular journaling or scrapbooking things. But you'll use your own creativity and turn it into beautiful works of art. For me, I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make. I just am not going to tell you. I want to wait and show you. So stay tuned. Keep checking back. I'm hoping to turn this into a series as, you know, health and time allows. But yeah, keep checking. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.